Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel for a very special video. It's a different video, it's not a makeup video, but I'm doing this because my heart is so full and I feel so blessed. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I received a package from one of my subscribers, Jill. I won't mention her last name just in case she doesn't want me to, but I am going to talk about her website and what she sent me. First, I never expect to get anything from my subscribers. You give to me just by watching and commenting and appreciating what I do and what I have to say, and I've created, I feel like, such a warm family here. But Jill contacted me and said she wanted to send me some stuff from her farm. She has a company called Sunny Hollow Farms. And of course I said, you don't have to do that. I would love to go onto your website and check out your products. I love supporting other people, and she really wanted to send me a package, and I felt so blessed and I was so grateful, and I said, sure, of course, I would love to try your products. Well, I expected a couple of things. Well, she sent me this whole box of stuff, and I literally cried that she would not only want to send me stuff, but send me so much of it, and the fact she wanted to send it to me. I'm getting like speechless, and I'm never at a loss for words, because I said I am so touched and so blessed by her and by all of you for giving me such a feeling of accomplishment and a feeling of family and connecting, and I can't thank her and I can't thank all of you as much as I want to, but I'm sure gonna try as much as I can. So I am going to go through all of the things that she sent me, but I just wanted to, I am going to link her website down below, because I've kind of nibbled on a bunch of the stuff and it's really good. I have to say. I just wanted to read just a little bit about it, and it says, Sunny Hollow Farms has created gourmet foods that are a taste of West Virginia. Yes, she is located in West Virginia, so if any of my subscribers are in West Virginia, it's in Auburn, West Virginia, then I highly suggest checking her out. But it says Sunny Hollow Farms has created gourmet foods that are a taste of West Virginia. It's a real place nestled in a beautiful hollow and continues with tradition and wonderful food. And let me tell you, it is truly wonderful. I'm going to start with the one that I've been eating the most, because I couldn't wait. The first thing that she sent to me was Hunter favorite pickles, and these are like spice. You can see they have red peppers in them. I love pickles. I can eat pickles like crazy. As you can see, I've been making quite a dent in them because I really like them. They are so delicious. I absolutely love them. If you like, she has all different kinds, but she asked me if I like spicy. I like spicy, so she sent me all kinds of things. They have dips, powdered dip powders that you can make into a dip, and they come with recipes. And she also sent me this recipe book with all of these amazing ideas for salads and breads and desserts and everything, and I cannot wait to start dipping into this. She also sent me Just Peachy Fire salsa, which I have to go out and buy some chips so that I can enjoy this. I love salsa and I love hot salsa. The hotter the better. Then I have horseradish pickles, which I'm sure are going to be absolutely amazing. I got another Just Peachy salsa. And on the back, she gives you a little recipe for some queso sauce, so you can add that to it. I can just imagine how good that's going to taste. And then this is going to be like amazing. This is called Up Your Nose Horseradish Mustard, and this sounds like it's going to be very hot. I may have to keep some water on hand, but I cannot wait to try this stuff. And I love hot peppers. These are candied hot peppers. You can just see the fire in this jar, and they're going to be amazing. And this is chipotle peach sauce. and I want to make like a chicken, like a grilled chicken, and then put this on it. Or I don't have a barbecue, but I'm going to find many amazing things to do with this one. And then I have maple cinnamon mustard, and I can just imagine this over a ham. You glaze a ham with it, and that probably is going to taste amazing. Then she sent me, I know it keeps going, all of these. Look at these adorable little bags that they get packed in. Inside are the powders that you can create dips with. This one is a chili dog sauce. This is a pumpkin pie dip. If that doesn't sound amazing, I don't know what does. And then look inside the little card. Everything's like so personalized and so beautifully done, and you can even get recipes online as well. This one is a garlic dill that you can make like a nice veggie dip for some vegetables and or crackers. Can't wait to try that. This is called Garpep Farm dressing, and it's of course a powder, and I would love to make this I would love to make this into a salad dressing. I love salads and I love dressings, and I love especially homemade dressings, so I can't wait to try this one. And then this last one is jalapeno popper dip. Ooh, that sounds really, really good. I can't wait to try this. And again, the recipe inside that tells you how to make it. And again, these little bags are the cutest thing. Again, the attention to detail that she puts into all of her packaging is absolutely amazing. Amazing, amazing. I know I personally, not just because she sent it to me, but because I really love everything, will be purchasing more from her website. And yeah, that is all that she sent me. It is a ton of stuff. I can't wait to enjoy it with my family. And again, Jill, you have warmed my heart. You have blessed me, and I am blessed by you. And I am, again, I can't say it enough, blessed by all of you guys who take the time out to want to spend it with me and watch my videos and support me and like and comment and subscribe. And this path that I've chosen with YouTube, I was afraid, so afraid to do it, but you have made it something that is the best part of my life right now that I needed so badly. And I will never be able to say thank you enough, except for maybe giving back as much as I can, which I have lots of stuff to be giving back with. That will be coming very soon. But thank you so much for watching. Please go out and at least check out her website and see if there's anything that you might like. This is truly, I said, it's not sponsored or anything like that. It's just an amazing gift from an amazing subscriber that I had to share with you guys. So I'm sure she would appreciate your support too. So as always, guys, I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing week wherever you are, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching, everybody.